Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn with sports name in English. First of all, this is black color. Cricket. C R I C K E T. Cricket. This is green color. Chess. C H E S S. Chess. This is orange color. Dodgeball. D O D G E B A L L. Dodgeball. This is green color. Baseball. B A S E B A L L. Baseball. This pink color. Cycling. C Y C L I N G. Cycling. This is blue color. Diving. D I V I N G. Diving. This is sky blue color. Ice hockey. I C E ice hockey. H O C K E Y. Ice hockey. This is purple color. Volleyball. V O L L E Y B A L L. Volleyball. This is red color. Table tennis. T A B L E. Table tennis. T E N N I S. Table tennis. This is pink color. Handball. H A N D B A L L. Handball. Okay, children. Sports name in English. Cricket, chess, dodgeball, baseball, cycling, diving, ice hockey, volleyball, table tennis, and last one is handball. Okay, children. Bye.